Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to fix iMessage keeps crashing and freezing while iPhone is charging in iOS 15. Solution number 1, update your iPhone to latest version in iOS 15. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi. Then go to Settings app, swipe down and click General. On the next page, click Software Update. If newer version of the iOS update is available, click Download and install. Solution number 2, restart your iPhone. First, go to Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe down and click General. Swipe down to bottom and click Shutdown. Turn off your iPhone by dragging the slide power off slider to the right side. Wait a few seconds for it to turn off once and turn it on again. Solution number 3, disable and enable iMessage. Go to Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe down and click Messages. Now deactivate and enable the iMessage to wait a few seconds. Thanks for watching this video.